for a student from a middle-class family, studying abroad is like a dream come true. But not many of them get the opportunity to do so. Due to financial constraints, dishonest and manipulative consultants, exorbitant consultation and education fees, lack of transparency, and so on. But not anymore. YesVidya.com will give your dreams a new identity. Get honest consultation and counseling, affordable and customized education plans, ideal foreign universities and locations of choice, within budget and value for money service, loan assistance on abroad education, admissions irrespective of vernacularity, merit and marks, assured admission with end-to-end support. Don't shy away from the fact that middle-class people don't have the right to dream. Contact us now for a consultation absolutely free of charge.